Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Yorraka electric spin scrubber cordless, a game changer for effortless cleaning in your home. This innovative scrubber boasts an ergonomic triangular handle design that ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, making cleaning less labor-intensive and more thorough. Equipped with robust all-metal gears and a powerful motor, it effortlessly tackles stubborn stains without faltering, offering 2 speeds to suit various cleaning needs. The scrubber's extendable length and adjustable angle, ranging from 27.56 inches to 52.36 inches and 96 degrees to 180 degrees, allow you to reach high and hard-to-reach areas with ease. With a high-voltage battery and USB Type-C fast charging, enjoy up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning freedom, all without the hassle of cords. Featuring 8 anti-wear, replaceable brush heads, this versatile tool is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cleaning tasks, from bathrooms and kitchens to cars and garden floors. Packaged beautifully, the Yorraka electric spin scrubber makes an ideal gift for anyone looking to alleviate the strain of cleaning, especially those with back or knee pain. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.